Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert and format time in Excel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well prepared to handle more advanced time-related operations. Let's get started. It's crucial to understand that Excel handles and stores time data in a unique way. Excel needs to recognize that you're inputting a time value, not a number, currency, or any other type of data. Therefore, it's essential to set the correct formatting for cells that will contain time information. So the first crucial step is to format cells correctly. Keep watching to learn how to do it. In this video, we'll use a table to demonstrate how to record working hours or the time when we start and finish work. Our next tutorial will cover how to calculate hours worked. Begin by selecting the empty cells where you plan to input time. You can format cells that will contain time data in your table in the same way. Once the cells are selected, right-click to access the Format Cells option. In the pop-up window, navigate to the Number tab and choose the Time category. Since Excel is used worldwide, you can pick a country-specific time format from the local drop-down list to suit your needs. We'll select English United States and continue. In the next step, select the time format that is most convenient for your future operations. You can choose a format with or without seconds, or even a format that includes a reference to a date. In our case, the short AM/PM format works best. Select it and click OK. Now, the cells are formatted for time values. To log the start of your workday at 9 a.m., type 9 into the cell. If you only insert the number 9, Excel will interpret it as a date and time format. To display it as 9 o'clock in the morning, enter 9, add a colon, and then input 00 for the minutes. Press Enter, and Excel will automatically format it according to the short AM/PM format you set earlier. Similarly, you can log the time when you finish work, such as 5:30 p.m. Input 17 for the hour, 30 for the minutes, separated by a colon. Press Enter, and Excel will convert it to the AM/PM format. There's an alternative way to achieve the same result without dealing with the larger numbers. You can input 4 for the hour, 30 for the minutes, but make sure to include a space before PM. This format ensures that Excel correctly interprets it as a time value. Without the space, it may lead to calculation errors. If you decide to change the time format, follow the same steps. Select the cells, right-click, choose Format Cells, and pick the format you need, such as one that includes seconds. You'll see a preview in the bar above. Click OK and it's done. You've now learned how to correctly insert and format time in Excel. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.